Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel, the #1 resource to help you understand social media better to grow your business. And in today's episode, I am talking all about how I was able to make $9,000 this year selling my digital products on social media. So if you are interested in learning how you can sell your digital products on social media, keep watching. So I started to sell digital products in 2020 and I had a failed launch. Dun dun dun. Yes, people have failed launches. I know you see so much success about people talking about how they were able to make $50,000 in digital products in 2 weeks or their first launch. But I'm gonna be completely honest with you and tell you that my first launch in launching digital products was a complete fail. And the reason why I think it was a complete fail is, #1, I don't think that I promoted it enough, and I don't think that I spent enough time really learning what my audience wanted. But once I was able to go back after that and research everything that went wrong and tweak some things, I was able to successfully launch digital products and sell them on social media. So I'm gonna give you a few tips on how you can use social media to sell your digital products. The first tip that I want to give you is to utilize different platforms. So not only did I utilize Instagram, but I also utilized Facebook. I have a private Facebook group that has about 900 members in this group. What I started to do in 2021 was to run challenges. So challenges work. You can do a 3-day challenge, a 5-day challenge, or 10-day challenge. Well, how challenges work is you create a landing page to get people to sign up for your challenge. Each day of the challenge, it is something different for them to learn, small bite-sized things that they can, take away, actionable tips. Everything happens within that Facebook group. I also send emails to people who have signed up and people who are part of the challenge to help them along the challenge. And at the end of the challenge, I sell my digital products. In my most recent challenge, I was able to get a 12% conversion. This was all without any paid ads. I was able to get a 12% conversion from the people that signed up for my challenge to buy my course. So I've done this challenge 3 times this year and it has been amazing each time. So utilize different platforms outside of Instagram. Maybe you want to utilize YouTube. Maybe you want to utilize a Facebook group. Definitely learn about the different platforms that are available to you. It's for you to use, whether that's Pinterest, whether that's YouTube, whatever works best for your brand and your niche, but make sure you utilize the different platforms. You also want to utilize live video. I went live several times during my challenge to promote my challenge and also to sell my digital products. If you're having a launch and you're leading up into that launch, going live is definitely going to help you get more people into your funnel. But make sure you utilize all of the platforms that have live video features. Definitely it's essential to help you sell your digital products on social media. And the third tip I want to give to you is to make sure you build an email list. I feel that an email list is so crucial when it comes to selling digital products on social media. Being able to utilize your email list also with social media just will help you to reach your goals quicker and faster. Having people that are on your email list who are already primed and prepped, they are going to be warm leads when you go and try to sell digital products to them. So when you get people on your list, it's a good idea to have a welcome series. It is a good idea to have nurturing emails that continue to nurture your audience so that when you do get ready to sell a digital product or service to them, they are already warmed up to you and probably already ready to buy your offer. So I hope these tips were helpful for you in helping you learn how to sell your digital products on social media. If you want to join an amazing group of influencers, creatives, and small business owners, make sure to click the link down below and join the Expand Your Influence Facebook group to help you learn more about digital marketing and social media so that you can continue to grow your business online. Thank you so much for tuning into today's video. I hope that you have an amazing day and I will talk to you in the next one. Peace.